This is part 2 of my home clothes dryer maintenance video. I forgot to mention in the other video, this is your external duct, and that takes the hot gases from the dryer out that way through the house and into the exterior. So I forgot to mention that. But here's this. Takes 3 Phillips screws. You get to it from the inside, and it sits up in there. Here's the studs for those. Anyways, what happens is the air goes through here, lint catches in the screen, hopefully. A lot of it obviously doesn't, because this is nasty after only 3 years of being in service. And here's what we got in there: a bunch of lint. There's a dime in there. God knows what else is in there. If your dryer's been in use for more than 3 years, or used more than a three-person family, then you're probably going to have a lot more lint in there than that, and that's what's the reason why you're not drying properly. Here, this is the fan. It sucks the air out, and then here's the ductwork that goes to the back of the Admiral unit, and then goes into that hose that I just showed you in the beginning of the video. I'm going to go ahead and take these screws out over here just to clean it in the inside of there and make sure that there's nothing in the pipe going out the back. I would definitely recommend doing that. This is all a fire hazards, and it's also robbing your electricity, stealing your money, and could possibly lead to a fire, which obviously could lead to fatalities. So this is very important maintenance here to do. This stuff's highly flammable. I save this stuff and use it to start campfires, and it works better than gas. So thanks for watching part 2.